I think my favorite thing about this job is there's never a one size fits all. Every single day when we walk into a new space, there's a new challenge. It's a new layout. We could do 100 pantries and we're never gonna do one that's the exact same because there's not the same food. It's not the same type of family situation. It's not the same layout of a space. So there's always something exciting. There's always a new challenge, and that's what we're good at. I really like being able to look at a space and put the puzzle pieces together and make it work for that family. There's always a different challenge in a space. It's the hard part and that push and pull, but it's also my favorite piece. I think most people, when they think about hiring an organizer, their immediate response is to say, well, I need to do stuff to get ready before they come, or let me clean my closet out before you come. But that's the total wrong answer. You've tried for years. So having us come in, an outside perspective, and this is what we do. We're experts in what we do, and we're able to think differently about your space and give you a whole new perspective on the things you've always looked at. I think something that sets apart Hello Happy Home and our team is the relational aspect. There's a level of trust in the things that we're doing. We're seeing all their stuff. And so there's a vulnerability there. So I want them to know that we're a safe place. And so we build that relationship with them so that they allow us to do what we need to do in that space and we can literally change their lives. This started as a small side hustle that I was doing because it was fun and I loved it. And it's turned into something where I'm able to employ a team of people, give them something that they love to do, that they're passionate about. To top it all off, I was able to retire my husband from his other job, and he's now working with me full time. And the dreams and the goals that we have for this company, I couldn't have done it by myself. And so now I have a team of people that are gonna take us to the next level, and I can't wait to see what Hello Happy Home does from here.